Hi everyone, I thought we would come here today to do a Pinata alcohol ink bloom. I used to talk about it a lot. I first learned to make blooms using it. It makes a flatter bloom, but it works well. I mixed up Teexpert resin. I'm going to use it for another project too, along with this one. I put about an ounce in this cup, and I'm going to pour some in this mold. I have been letting it warm up. Let me see what the temperature is. I haven't checked it for a bit. Let's just see. It is 32 degrees Celsius, 89, almost 90 degrees Fahrenheit. I am using fast cure resin, so I tend to like to have it be at lower than my usual bloom temperatures. Sometimes I start even at 28 for blooms with the fast cure resin. All right, let's just give this a shake, make sure everything's mixed in. For about an ounce, you know what, let's use 15 drops and see how white it gets. Remember, it's an alcohol ink, so generally we need more. I did say I was using Teexpert fast cure resin. I don't remember. Time's already passed. All right, I can tell that this is going to be too light. This is going to be closer to skim milk colored, and we want it closer to whole milk. We don't want bright white, solid white. We want it just getting too opaque and white. So I'm going to undo 5 more. And then we'll look at it again. I'm going to slowly add them just so I don't push it past our good point. I'm making way too much white. It still looks too light for me. Let's just go all in and do 10. So that'll put us at 25 drops. Because it can get wispy, I do like to make sure it is white. That looks better. That looks better for us. All right, let me move this a little closer to me because I pushed it too far away. I have Gumball Ranger alcohol ink. Give it a little shake. Now, I am not going to be able to back this mold. It's one of my thinner molds. So I am going to put a decent amount of ink in it and a decent amount of lines. The edge, if you've watched my edge video, it's one of these edges where I have done sort of a crackle effect. This is my one that went awry, so I can show it to you just so you get an idea. It had clear resin and then purple, and it creates a crackle effect, and generally they look better than this, but that's what the edge should look like. Now I am going to use a piping bag. I'm going to start using these little plastic ones because I'm going through a lot of cups. And just to hold the piping bags, I don't need big cups. I don't need the full cup. And these are washable if I get a little schmutz on them. All right, I'm gonna tie that all up. Cut the tip off of it. I'm going to stand up. I'm also going to try to do this a little bit thicker than I normally would. And the reason being is, again, it's Pinata alcohol ink, and I need it to be just a little bit heavier. going to take it all the way over to the side. Because I'm trying to completely fill the tray with white. Sort of looking like a pumpkin. This might be a good design for a pumpkin. But we're going to turn it into a flower. Don't worry. All right. I'm going to line this one more time. Our big outside petal. All right, I'm going to set it back in my little cup. And then let's do our lines. And of course, I want to do squigglies. And I'm hoping this goes into the edge too. We may not see the ends of the bloom, but I want it to cover the tray. This side over here, it's going to be my last all the way in. So I'm going to do my swirl off of it. And I'm going to take a little corner. Do we need any more lines? No, I think I'm okay with that. I think I like the bigger petals on the outside, so I think this is good. Hopefully I didn't let the resin warm up too much, so the fast cure sometimes will stop the bloom because it's curing too fast and the bloom doesn't have time to evolve. But fingers crossed, we'll get something cool. We'll be back to unmold it. All right, we're back. I actually had just a little bit left over mixed up of this eye candy rainbow violet resin. It was about 1.5 ounces, and it did a light covering of the back, and I thought, that works. So let's see how this all came out, how it all worked. And there we go. And you could see, I wish my petals would have went all the way over there, but that's okay. You can see how light, even with all the drops we added, the Piñata bloom is.